So now let's see what is this select a custom background. Initially you are seeing this background. If you want to change that, you can change. Okay, I'll try to upload any other image and let's see what happens. Right, now you can see that the background is changed. If you start uh, you can change the font color also. Now if you start, you can see the questions in this way. If you want to change anything, you can change the font color, and you can also change the background. You can also change the theme. So I discussed that in another video. There are 5 themes. You can change any theme, and also there are dark mode and light mode. You can select any one of this, and classy look, classic look, anything you can change.